Today we will be learning about functions in Python programming. So a functions is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. Functions allow you to organize your code into logical sections, making it easier to read, maintain, and reuse. Python functions can take inputs, what we call arguments or parameters, and return outputs are optional. So functions enhance code's reusability, readability, and modularity. So you define functions by using def, specify its parameters, and use return if it should produce a result. So functions is called by its name followed by the parentheses that contains the value of our parameters that is being passed. So functions has key characteristics. It is a modular, reusable, parameterization, and optional return. So when we say modular, functions break down complex problems into a smaller, manageable task, while reusable, once defined, functions can be called multiple times through the code, while parameterization, functions can accept inputs to operate on different values. And last, you have the optional return. Optional return functions can optionally return a result after the execution. So we have here a function syntax. So again, functions is defined using the def. Okay, so we have the def, the function name, next is the open parentheses and our parameter values, close and column in Python. So do not forget the indent and our code block of our functions, and next to it is the result, and it could be an optional if you have a return value to be passed. And that's all for functions, defining the functions and learning the syntax of our functions. And the next is we'll be having example of functions application. Hello, good morning everyone. Good day everyone. So we are here to learn function in Python programming. We have here an example of the functions in Python. I have here an example in how to call a function, uh, the passing of parameters in a function is one, and also a function without no parameters, because it doesn't have return values. So now let's read the code here in our function. So again, when we are using a function, we need to use def, calling out our function and our function name, and if you have parameter to pass, you put it between the parentheses. So what is our code? So our code, ito lang naman yung tinawag natin si main. We are calling our function main, and by calling our function name, it executes our hinahanap niya si main function. So yan. So si main function, ito yung function natin, ito si main, Now we are executing the block of code of a function. So here um, r is equal to int, no? So you're converting int, our variable name r is equal to int, and reading inputs, going to enter a value of a radius here and convert it into integer with the hold of the variable name r. So the next statement is our area of the circle 1. I put 1 here because I have a function here, area of the circle. Now I am calling my function area of the circle, passing the value of r that I have entered the radius value. So let's say I enter the value of 1. So 1 now is being passed to my function area of the circle, which the value of the parameter r is equivalent to 1. And I have here, my next statement is a is equal to 3.1416. So this is the pi, no? Pi value, because the formula of the area of the circle is pi r squared. So multiplied asterisk, I put open parenthesis and r times r because r squared. So since the value is 1, 1 times 1 is equal to 1 times 3.1416, and it will return the value of a. So what is the value of a here is 3.1416. That is the one we'll be reading here. So print. So the area of the circle is equal to what is the value of my area of the circle 1. So let's run our code. So you have here, it will be calling the main. In the main, you have here, you will enter a radius value. So I will input 2, and now it will display, it will be calling the area of the circle function, passing the value parameter r, which is equivalent to 2 multiplied by r times r. So 2 times is equal to 4 times 3.1416, and the value there is 12.5664. So it will display the area of the circle is equal to 12.5664. That's all for today, guys. That's how you use functions in Python programming.